Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see data loss prevention simulation mode in Microsoft Purview. I will quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. Alright, I'm logged on to the portal purview.microsoft.com. Now, the fact is that you can use Microsoft Purview data loss prevention in simulation mode. And what you will use it for is that you want to check what is the impact of a policy on your production environment without enforcing that policy, all the items that would be matched by a policy if it were enforced. So you go to the data loss prevention. I will check one of my policies that I created before. If I just want to edit it, make sure that you are up with the confirming your Microsoft 365 subscription and any add-ons that you need at least to start using DLP policies, right? You see the status, I've kept it on in simulation, searching for matches. I'll explain it in a few minutes. Make sure that you have the necessary permissions. You have added roles and role groups, the people in the specific role groups to actually make use of the DLP policies, and then you have the system configuration checked from your endpoint devices, right? Now, when you the place where you configure this simulation is the last step in the policy configuration workflow, right? So if I click it and if I just want to edit it, it'll take few seconds, right? And if you'll see the policy mode option, I can go directly to that option here. It says run the policy in simulation mode, right? And then there are options: turn it on right away or keep it off. Turn the policy on immediately, leave the policy turned off, which will disable the simulation mode. If I turn the policy on, if it's not edited within 15 days of simulation, this option is also available, right? So this will keep the policy in simulation mode. This will switch it on to production if I do not make any changes, and then it will turn on the policy immediately, and this will keep the policy turned off. These are self-explanatory, right? Now, after you make any changes, it can take up to 24 hours for the insights to stop appearing on the overview page, right? Now, if you want to view the DLP policies in a simulation mode, what you will do, you will just click on cancel in simulation with notifications, right? Or you can say in simulations. This is a flyout page, right? And then you can select view simulation to see the simulation overview. Here you will check for items for reviews, and then you will select the alerts tab to look for any alerts that are available. You can download the report as well. You would see the simulation overview tab when you will click on the policy. Not here, data loss prevention policies. In here, if you will check the simulation tab, it will give you the status of the policy simulation, status of scanning per location, total items scanned, total matches found, and what kind of links to the matched items there are, right? And then it will also provide, so there are 0 matches, it's a lab environment, but you will see items for review. Now this shows a flat list of items that matched the policy in simulation and lets you read the source item along with the item metadata, much like the Content Explorer, right? So you would see the match summary, the source, the metadata, and then you will also see the corresponding alerts as well. It will also show you all kind of alerts that were generated when an item matched the policy in simulation. It would have the same format as the DLP alerts console. So this is how you look at the reports for the data loss prevention policy in the simulation mode. I hope this was informative for all of you. If you need any further information, please mention them in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.